guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS haul. The tier deal is still going on at CVS this week like it did last week. That's the spend 30 get 10 or spend 45 get 15. This does not track and it does not follow the 98% rule. So if you're doing this deal, make sure you're hitting your 30 or you're hitting your 45. That way you can get your extra care box back. Let's go see what deals I'll pick up. For my first transaction, I'll be using an 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT I got in my email. And the first deal I'll be adding to this will be the Cottonelle deal. Cottonelle is part of the spend 20 get $5 bag and it's on sale for $10.49 each. I'll pick up 2 of these big packs and both of them will bring it up to $20.98. I don't have any coupon for this, so I'm relying on the 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT. But if you're doing this by itself, you pay the $20.98 and get back 5, making it $15.98 or $7.99 each. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the spend 20 get $10 back on Aquaphor or Eucerin, but I'll be picking up Aquaphor with this transaction. I'll pick up 3 of the advanced therapy priced at $6.79 each. 3 of them will come up to $20.37. I'll use the $3 coupon from 129 savings set. I'll use 3 of them. That will take off $9. If I'm doing this by itself, I'll end up paying just $11.37 and I'll get back 10, making all 3 items $1.37 or 46 cents each. This is everything I'm picking up in this transaction. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt. These are all the items I picked up, the 2 Cottonelle and the 3 Aquaphor. And the coupons, everything came out fine. All the $3 came off for the Aquaphor, the 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT. I ended up using $23 extra care box, paid $1.35 out of pocket. And I got back $10 for the Aquaphor and I also got back $5 for the Cottonelle for spending 20, making this whole transaction $9.35 or $1.87 after the extra care box. The next deal I'll be doing will be on the L'Oreal Elvive. It's on sale for 2 for $9 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. I'll be picking up 2, 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. Everybody received a 4 off of 2 digital coupon today. And if you go on coupons.com, you can print out another 4 off of 2. And today's savings set, there is another 4 off of 2. Both will double dip and take off $8, leaving you to pay $1 and you get $2 back, making it free and a $1 money maker. But I have a 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT I received at the end of my receipt that I'll be using with this deal. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the All or Snuggle deal. It's on sale for $3.99 and when you spend 12, you get $3 back. I'll pick up 1 of the detergents and I'll pick up 2 of the dryer sheets. 3 of them will come up to $11.97. And I'll use a $1.50 coupon from the 115 savings set. If your store doesn't accept expired coupon, today is your last day to use it. I'll be adding this to the 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT, but if I don't have the next purchase CRT, I'll end up paying $7.47 after I take off the coupon, and I'll get $3 back, making all 3 items $4.47 or $1.49 each. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the spend 20 get $10 back on Eucerin or Aquaphor. This is a limit of 1. You can either do the Eucerin or you do the Aquaphor. So the one I did earlier on was a different card. I'll pick up 2 of the skin calming cream priced at $10.49 each. Both of them will come up to $20.98. And I'll use 2 $3 coupons from 129 savings set. That will take off 6. If I'm doing this by itself, I will pay $14.98 and I'll get back 10, making both items $4.98 or $2.49 each. This is everything I'm picking up in this transaction, so let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. These are all the items I picked up on my receipt and all the coupons, everything came off very well. The $3 came off and the $4 double dip with the digital coupon. The $1.50, everything came off. 4 off of 40. I ended up using $18.33 extra care box, paid $1.12 out of pocket, and I got back $2 for buying 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive, and also got back $3 for spending 12 for the All or Snuggle, and $10 for spending 20 for the Eucerin. making this whole transaction $4.45 or 74 cents each. The next deal I'll be doing will be on the spend 30 get $10 back or spend 45 get 15. Like I said earlier on in this video, it doesn't track and it does not follow the 98% rule. The first item I'll be adding will be the Venus Comfort Glide on sale for $9.99. And check your app because we have a $3 that is attaching to this. The next two items I'll be adding will be the Tide Pod and the Tide Detergent. We all have a $3 digital coupon that will attach to each one of them, and both of them are on sale for $12.99 each. All three items will total me $35.97, which is above the $30. Then I'll use a $3 digital coupon for each one of them, taking off 9. I have another 6 off of 30 next purchase CRT, so I will end up paying $20.97 and I'll get $10 back. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and these are the 3 items I picked up. All my coupons came off and I used the 6 off of 30 next purchase CRT. I ended up using $20.97 extra care box to pay for this. And instead of getting $10 back, I got back $20, making this transaction just 97 cents or 32 cents each. Next deal I'll be doing, I don't have any next purchase CRT that I'll be using with this, so it will be a very simple deal. CoverGirl is on buy 3, you get $9 back. I'll pick up 3 of the eyeliners priced at $6.29 each, and I'll use 3 of the $3 coupon we got in our $129 savings set. And also the $3 instant CRT we received last week if you have not used yours and if you printed it because it expired yesterday. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and I picked up 3 of the eyeliners and all the coupons applied. The $3 came off and the instant CRT also came off. I paid $6.87 with extra care box, paid 0 out of pocket, and I got $9 back, making all 3 of them free and a $2.13 money maker. Last deal I did today was on the cookies. It's part of the buy 2 you get $2 back and it's on sale for 2 for $7. I don't have any coupons for this, so I paid the 7, got $2 back, making both items $5 or $2.50 each. I don't have my receipt, I can't find it, but I will still show the $2 I got back from this. Thank you all for watching my videos. Stay safe and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.